Let's dive right into Video 40, The Berries of Resilience, and figure out how to unlock extreme cellular health.
Think about the bowhead whale. It lives over 200 years with practically zero cellular degradation. Crazy, right?
It's a massive biological mystery. How does something that huge and that old just not get cancer?
The secret is a cold-activated, supercharged protein called CIRB. Think of it as an elite DNA repair crew. Unlike us, who constantly degrade, these whales use a strict repair, don't replace strategy for their cells. Instead of just trashing damaged cells, they literally fix double-strand DNA breaks, keeping their genome completely stable. So here's the million-dollar question. How on earth do we fuel that exact same resilience in ourselves? Well, the answer is actually hiding deep inside our own cellular batteries, which are your mitochondria. We can literally shield them using the Siberian Taiga's resilient berries, specifically VILAVI's 90% polyprenol extract. Coming straight from pure coniferous trees, this dense phyto-nutrient blend perfectly mimics nature's ultimate survival mechanisms. Here's how it actually works. When you take these polyprenols, your liver seamlessly converts them into dolichols. Those dolichols become your own elite repair crew, directly shielding and fixing up your damaged mitochondrial membranes. They firmly bind up reactive oxygen species, completely stopping oxidative stress and cellular aging right in their tracks. By doing this, we're basically hijacking that exact same repair-don't-replace strategy used by the bowhead whale. The tangible results for you? You're looking at massive ATP energy boosts, laser focus, and rock-solid immunity. This is direct mitochondrial nutrition. So I'll leave you with this. Are your cells merely surviving or flawlessly repairing?